Go to Google search and type in esloudinternational.com. It's going to take you to our main website. It's very simple to scroll down and get to Let's Get Started. Once you click that button, please put your name and email address in and click the blue button and get started here. Now for beginners, you want to start here and it'll take you directly to training with Partner with Anthony program. He's going to show you everything you need to know. Now for experienced marketers, go ahead and click here to start here. And this is going to take you to this page. There's 3 pages deep and there's over 30 different products and services that you can use today and get the affiliate links so that way you can advertise or get training or all the information you need to be very successful in this industry. It's all legit and there's no MLM. So when you get to the last page here, you're going to see a picture of our new ebook we just put together for you, and you can go to esloud.com and type in an address bar, and then you're going to see this site here, which is the 5 simple steps of starting online marketing. You click this before you begin so you can get your free your ebook. Please put your name and email address in and click to continue. And then when you get to this page, go ahead and download your free ebook from ES Loud International. It's an affiliate marketing, simple way to start for beginners. You're going to see your very first funnel. We're going to make it simple, just one funnel. We're going to give you extra pages in the book that you can keep notes on, keep track. And then that's the end of the book there. Once you completed your first one, you're ready to start going. So there's me again. Best of luck. Come to our site. Let's do this.